Remember buying date nut bread at the supermarket? When I was a kid, my mom used to make me date nut sandwiches, the ones where date nut bread sandwiched around cream cheese. Well, I used to love those sandwiches and I really wanted to relive those happy days, so I came up with this date and toasted nuts mini muffin recipe. These muffins are moist, tender, sweet packed with chopped dates and toasted pecans and walnuts. You must definitely add these super healthy muffins to your winter bake list. It's like a warm hug best enjoyed with a cup of coffee or tea. I prefer making muffins over a loaf of cake bread as it is much easier and neater to carry a muffin when I am in a hurry every morning. Plus, it controls my dessert eating portions better. I highly recommend you to use toasted nuts in this recipe. It really complements the muffins. These muffins make a great breakfast for busy mornings or a quick afternoon snack with a cup of coffee. In this recipe, only brown sugar is used, no white sugar. For this recipe, I am using dried pitted medjool dates. If the dates you buy still have their pits, you will need to remove them. Just cut a slit down the lengthwise of the date with a sharp knife and then slide out the small smooth pit. First step in making these muffins is to place the coarsely chopped dried dates in a bowl along with the baking soda. Then pour half cup of boiling water over the dates, give it a stir and leave it to cool at room temperature. This process is done to soften the tough outer skin of the dates. When you make your batter, add in the dates along with the liquid. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries for this recipe, do share it in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hope you love these nutty date muffins as much as I do, cause I'm drooling. So I'm gonna go and enjoy these little muffins. Bye!